How do you reconcile that with the fact that Mr. Mnube's hands in Exhibit SD, which is the photo wherein you identified a gold teeth, his hands are right in front of his chest?
Bathi ngabe unomzana uNcube uthathe kanjani isithombe saka selfie uma ngabe izandla zakhe zilaphakathi kena ke nendawo la ngaphambili kena.
A phone can be timed. You time a phone, like I demonstrated on Friday. You time it. After a certain seconds, you take a picture.
Athi ke uma khalekhukhwini ke njengoba sitshengisile ngolosihlanu esontweni idluleke athi uvame ukuthi umbeke la ngaphambili uqhubela la ngaphambili seke usufaka isikhathi ke lapho ke isikhathi semizuzwana encane ke lapho nomzuzwana enciphile ke lapho ke athi mase kufaka imizuzwana enciphile kula isithombe sithubuleka khona ke lapho.
Let's go a bit back, Mr. I hear your explanation. Let's go a bit back. In terms of your evidence, you say what kind of a phone did Mr. Mnube use to take this photo?
Konje uma sihlehlele emuva ukuthi ze umnumzana Mnube wasebenzisa wophi kumakhalekhukhwini ngesikhathi bekathatha isithombe lesi.
I never mentioned the type of a phone or the model of the phone.
Athi nakakaza khulumeke ngocingo ukuthi ucingo olunjani ke lalo noma mhlawumbe ucingo legama liphi ke.
What did you say about the phone?
Bathi yini okhulumile mayelana nodaba lomakhalekhukhwini?
I have never mentioned the name and the make of the phone he took this picture with previously.
Athi esikhathini esindlule akakaze akhulumeke ngocingo olukhethekile ncamashi noma mayelana negama locingo lo abalisebenzisile ke ngesikhathi kade kubethibula ke isithombe lesi ke.
So, in view of your demonstration that you did on Friday, you cannot dispute that what you told, or in terms of your demonstration, and when you look at the photo where Mr. Mnube is having his hands in front of his chest, this could not have been a selfie unless you know the type of a phone that Mr. Mnube used, according to you, in taking this picture, not so?
Bathi mina nofaka zonke ngikhulumile ngako ukuthi ke imali lesithombe lesakamnumzana Mnube ke sikhona la ke isikhangiso lesike la ezakhe sikhona lapha yena ngaphambili la ngaphambi ke nesifubeni ke lapho bona ukuthi lesifuba sakhe ke bathi ngeke ukhona ukusho ukuthi wasebenzisa umakhalekhukhwini ngesikhathi uma ucingo luphike ngesikhathi ukuthi isithombe lesingaphandle ukuthi nokubukeke lapho ke imininingwane egcweleke ukuthi ucingo luphike lolo.
To say which phone, I cannot say what phone he used. But
ekizeni ke uluphiko uhlobo locingo mhlambe umakhalekhukhwini uphike lona ke athi ngeke ke asho ukuthi uluphiko ucingo.
okay. Sorry. Excuse me, I was pushing this to your side. Sorry to touch you.
Or are you done with your explanation? I'm saying to you, Mr. Warrant Officer Mabasa, that in view of your demonstration on how a selfie gets taken, demonstration that we saw on Friday, when you were holding your hand, your phone with one hand and took a photo of yourself while the photo is in your hand. Now, we see on this photo, which is now depicted here at court, or flighted here at court, that Mr. Mnube is having both his hands on his chest, and they are visible, not so?
That's correct.
bathi mayelana nodaba kakhulume ngalo ngolwesihlanu sonto lidluleke la kade usitshengisa khona-ke la kade ubambe khona kumakhalekhukhwini akho ngesandla sisodwa-ke lapho-ke ngesikhathi bothwebula isithombe sakho-ke athi yebo kunjalo kepha umnumzane Mncube-ke lapho uma sesibuka isithombe sakhe esikhona kule sikhangiso lesi-ke yena-ke zombili-ke izandla zakhe zila ngaphambili-ke yena esifubeni sakhe athi yebo kunjalo.
You can therefore not say that this was a selfie unless you know the type of a phone that Mr. Mncube used in taking this picture, not so.
But ngeke usho ukuthi-ke lesi i-selfie-ke ngaphandle ukuthi-ke wazi ukuthi umnumzane noma uluphi-ke ucingo abalisebenzisa ngesikhathi kade bethatha isithombe lesi. Akusenjalo yini?
I'll say correct.
Athi yebo ngasho ukuthi kunjalo.
Thank you. Because Mr. Mncube, if needs be, would come and tell this court that at all material times he had a phone that GTC 3200. It only had a camera. It's the make of that phone was such that you only had to take a photo using that phone. I'm sorry, it's a Samsung GT E 2220. GTE 2220. I'm sorry about the mixing up of the numbers of the model of the phone. But what I was explaining is that he says it only could take a photo, the normal way of taking a photo. It was not designed in such a way that you could take a photo from it. I mean, a selfie photo with it, yes.
Isilungiso-ke lapho-ke akumele-ke lapho umnumzane Mncube uyasho khona ukuthi nakade onayo kumakhalekhukhwini lapho kuthi kuyi-Samsung i-GTE 2220-ke lapho-ke athi umakhalekhukhwini-ke lowo noma ucingo kade lingamvumeli ekuthizeni athathe-ke i-selfie-ke lapho-ke kepha belumvumela nje kuphela ekuthizeni athwebule isithombe-ke nje kuphela. Manje ngaphendula uthini-ke lapho-ke fakazi?
Yes, by then the Samsung GT E2220, by that time we used to have those phones with one camera, is correct. However, you could take a selfie from the back of the phone.
Athi-ke lapho-ke kuyiqiniso ukuthi i-Samsung i-GTE 2220-ke kuyiqiniso ukuthi kade nekhamera nje eyodwa-ke kuphela-ke futhi ikhamera khona kade langemuva-ke kucingo lwakhona-ke athi kepha-ke bebakhona ukuthizeni kade basebenzise-ke ikhamera leyo thizeni wathathe-ke i-selfie.
I'm just saying for court to know, I'm not saying he was using the Samsung GTE 2220. I'm still maintain I'm not so sure what phone he was using when he took the picture because it's not on record from my downloads.
Athi-ke lapho-ke asukuthi utshele inkosi yenkantolo ukuthi-ke umnumzane uMncube kade asebenzisa ucingo lolo-ke lo-Samsung GTE kepha-ke asho khona ngathi la yena lapho-ke yinto nje ayikhuluma nje kuphela leyo-ke futhi athi ngesikhathi kade ebukeka imibukiso yena akakaze akubone ngokukhethekile noma ngokujulile ukuthi ngabe kade asebenzisa luphi-ke ucingo ngesikhathi lesi bekathatha isithombe lesi.
So you
nawo lokushicilelwe laphansi.
So you therefore can't dispute when he says he used that phone that I've just mentioned now, that E3220. He never had a phone that enabled him to take a selfie.
My Lord, I cannot dispute, but remember the pictures were from the memory card, which could have been in different devices.
bathi ngaba kuphiki yini lokho ukuthi kade asebenzisa ucingo Samsung GTE 2220 ke athi cha yebo akakuphiki ke lokho kepha ke ithumbu lezi kade iqhamuka ngaphakathi kwe-memory card ke lapho kusho ukuthi kade iqhamuka ngaphakathi ke noma kade iqhamuka kwindawo eziningi ezahlukene.
Are you done? Thank you. Now you are now in a realm of speculation, not so? Was it not your duty to specify with certainty in order to come assist the court that this picture was taken from this phone?
Bathi kade kuwukuthi umsebenzi wakho thizela kwenza isiqiniseko sokuthi ngabe mhlambe ke thumbu lezi ziqhamuka kuluphi ucingo ke ethizeni ubuye ulekelele inkosi enkantolo ngokujulile.
I'm not speculating. If you can go to my downloads from the memory card, it tells each, there are some pictures where it can give you the name of the phone that took that picture, some they don't. That's why I'm always saying, when he took this picture, I cannot say he used a Samsung GTE 2220 because on this picture, it doesn't tell me which device he used.
Athi lapho akakhulumi ke into engekho ke lapho ke uma ekhuluma ke ngofakazi bakhe ke lapho ke athi uma ngabe umuntu angaklama pic lama kwethomba idownloadile ke lapho ke iqhamuka memory card ke athi khona ke izithombe lezi ezitshengala khona noma mhlambe zimtshengisa khona ke ukuthi mhlambe izithombe ezithule ngaliphi kocingo lapho ke noma mhlambe imake noma imodel yocingo ke lapho ke kepha athi uma ekhuluma ke ngesithombe lesi ke phecelezi sona ke asikaze simtshengise noma akaze kutshengakala ukuthi izithombe lesi ziqhamuka kuphi ke.
Now, on the same breath, you cannot dispute when he says he never had such a phone that enabled him to take a selfie the way in which you did it on Friday, not so?
That's correct.
Bathi ngamanye amagama ngeke ukuphike ukuthi akakaze abe naloko ucingo lolo de lumvumela ke ethizini athatheke isithombe saka selfie athi yebo kunjalo.
Thank you.
The reason is by then there was no there was no phones that we're using now.
Athi sathu ukuthi ngesikhathi lesakudala ke kade singasebenzisi ke umakhalekhukhwini abafana nalaba esibasebenzisa ke esikhathini samanje.
Thank you. Thank you, Warrant Officer. You made mention of the fact that some information from the original memory card. Now, let's not confuse. Please don't be confused.
Yes.
I'm now talking about a memory card.
Memory card now.
Yes. You can say it again. I'm talking about what? A memory card. Ne. Thank you. Now, you said this information that would not reflect on other gadgets when you download that information to these subservient gadgets from the memory card, not so. In other words, as you work to download the information from the memory stick, from the memory card that gets inserted into the phone, certain information along the way gets to be altered, not so, or it changes.
I cannot say it changes per se. As I download,
Yes.
because I'm also a downloader, even in
Yes.
this case, I was not the downloader. As I download
Yes.
and put it into my system to give me the information,
Yes.
once I convert it into PDF,
Yes.
it will reflect what I have downloaded.
Yes.
So the alteration,
Yes.
I don't know how, but personally, I don't alter with any information from what I got from the download.
Yes.
But lapho uma sikhuluma ke nge-memory card ke lapho ke original memory card ke lapho ke uma ngabe ke lapho uma sengaphakathi umakhalekhukhwini maphakathi ocingweni ke lapho ke bathi akuvamile ukuthi ezinye izinto lapho ke zishintsheke lapho ke athena ke cha angekho asho njalo ngokujulile ke noma ngokukhethekile ke kepha ke nathi uma ngabe ngesikhathi lisebenza ukudownload kweyithombe lezi ke lapho ke athi ngesikhathi ade kodify ngaphakathi kwale system yakhe lapho ke zona kade zimtshengisa noma zajengakala lesi zamtshengisa ukuthi lapho ithombe eziqhamuka kuphi kathobula nini kuphenda futhi ngasikhathi sini.
So what you're basically saying is you're not a downloader, you're an analyst.
I'm saying I'm an analyst, I do both.
Bathi shothi yona ka yona ke download ke ku-analyze athena uzenza zombili ke i-analyze futhi abuya download iy'thombe.
But in this case,
however,
you did not
in this
download it.
In this case,
Yes.
I was not a downloader.
You were not requested to download.
Athi cha ke icala ke akakaze a-download yothi manje ngabe kaze bacele ukuthi download iy'thombe ke lezi.
So I received the information already downloaded from the downloaders.
Akathola ke ulwazi sele belidownloadile qhamuka kulabo kade bedownloada ke.
Information that had already been downloaded from the original memory stick.
Original memory card,
Yes.
a
Memory
phone,
card.
and a SIM card.
Yes.
Bathi lapho ke ulwazi kade phakathi kwe-original memory card ucingo na futhi naku-sim card.
Now, when you were requested to prepare the exhibit S, yes, exhibit S, you transferred that information that was in a memory card from the gadget into which it was downloaded to, not so, from the memory card.
I don't understand your question.
What I'm saying is you are requested to prepare exhibit S, not so. And you are saying you did not download the information that was in the memory card, not so. In other words, somebody had already downloaded that information from the memory card into something else, not so.
That's correct.
Bathi nanoma usho ngofakazi bakho usho ukuthi nawo kaze udownload ke ithombe lesikade qhamuka phakathi memory card athi yebo kunjalo ke usho ukuthi kunomuntu othizeni owadownloada ke lolu lwazi oluqhamuka phakathi kwale original memory card ethizeni alethe kuwena ke athi yebo kunjalo.
Now, for the sake of clarity, this information from which you prepared exhibit S, where did you get it from?
It's on record. The downloader, Sergeant Kosi, was here to explain how he did it. So I went and collect from his storage.
Sergeant?
Nkosi.
Athi yebo cha kade ungasiyena ke kepha umuntu kade adownload lapho ke uSergeant Nkosi ke futhi athi khona ke la esicelo khona ke phansi ke athi yena kwahamba wayakena ke bese thola ke ulwazi lolu.
What I mean, Warrant Officer, is that the information had already been downloaded from the memory card. It was stored somewhere. You then get requested to prepare Exhibit S, not so. Now I want to find out, in you preparing Exhibit S, where did you get that information from?
Bathi lapho ke uma ngabe isima exhibit S ngaphambi ukuthi ulungiselele imaya nofakazi lokuba noma mhlawumbe imibukiso ke exhibit S futhi khona ke umuntu othizeni owenza ku download ka lapho kwesaqeda ke babe siwabeka ke lokhu kade akutholile ke manje umbuzo ukuthi ngabe lo lwazi lolu wena ke wathola kuphi nendawo.
If I understand you correctly, you want me to say, where did I get the pictures from? Either it's a phone, SIM card, or memory card. If it's that, I got all the pictures from a memory card.
Athi uma ngekuzwa kahle ngifuna ukufuna ngisho ukuthi ngalithola kuphi ulwazi khona ngaphakathi kocingo memory card futhi ne-SIM card athina ke ulwazi kodwa litholile ke lona seliqhamuka ngaphakathi ke kule memory card.
When you compiled Exhibit S, had the information there was in the memory card downloaded or not?
bathi ngesikhathi kuthola ku-exhibit S ngabe ilwazi lakhe likhona ngaphakathi kwe-memory card bavele sebadownloadile noma bengaka-download.
I received the information
Yes.
from the downloader's office in either a CD or a hard drive.
Athi wathola ke ulwazi lolu-ke lapho-ke kuma-downloaders office wathola ngaphakathi mhlawumbe kwa-hard drive noma ngaphakathi kwe-CD.
Then I started analyzing.
Bese aqala-ke lapho-ke wenza-ke umsebenzi wakhe uthi njengochwepheshe-ke lapho uthi enza umsebenzi woku-analyze uthi uqhathanisa phakathi kwalo lwazi kade alutholile.
Repeat that again.
Iphinde futhi lokho-ke
If I'm correct, because I don't have my statement that tells me how did I get that. But if I'm correct, I received the information with the case number, the information of the downloads from the downloader's office, the downloaders, which is Sergeant Kosi, in a CD, which means it was in a CD, downloaded into a CD, no, into a DVD. I can't remember what I used. And then I started doing my work.
athi lapho wathola-ke ulwazi ngaphakathi kuma-downloaders office ke lapho-ke usuthi lapho uSergeant Nkosi-ke lapho-ke athi emuva kwalokho-ke yena-ke kepha akanaso statement futhi akanayo into ekhethile mhlawumbe ejulile emiqoqondile-ke mayelana nodaba lwenkulumo yakhe athi kepha-ke wakuthola lokhu kungaphakathi mhlawumbe wakuthola kungaphakathi kwe-CD noma kungaphakathi kwe-DVD bese-ke ngemuva kwalokho-ke bese enza umsebenzi wakhe uthi enze uqhathanisa-ke kulo msebenzi wakhe.
You see, Mr. Mabasa, your testimony with regard to exactly what you did there, when you were to prepare this Exhibit S, the chain of events, they are very murky.
Yeah,
In other words, they are clouded. You don't know what actually you did. But let me help you. According to your statement, because at some stage you say you did not download the pictures, at some stage you downloaded from the memory card, but let me help you.
Okay.
Let
Thank
me
you.
help
because-
you, out of
sorry.
respect. Thank you. You are saying in paragraph 5 of Exhibit F, which is your affidavit, that on the 17th of August 2020, at about 17 minutes past 11, you received a CD from the phone downloader's office with a computer folder marked Cleveland, case 96/2/2015, containing a phone download information. Do you follow?
That's correct. That's what I was trying to say. It's just that I don't have my statement in front of me.
Bathi-ke lapho ku-paragraph 5 ku-statement sakho-ke khona-ke inkulumo oyikhuluma-ke lapho-ke phecelezi nodaba lolu-ke lokuthi lokudownloada kwey'thombe-ke lapho-ke bathi le nkulumo wayisho-ke wena-ke ngaphansi kwesifungo-ke noma yebo ngaphansi kwesifungo-ke lapho-ke lecala lase Fosloras noma Cleveland case 9602 of 2025 elihambisana icala se-Fosloras le-case 636/10/2014 la uthi khona-ke ngelanga ngomnyaka 2020 ngo-August ngelanga lange-17 ngesikhathi semizuzu ewu-17 qeda lishaya ihora laka-11 emini wathola-ke lapho-ke kona-ke i-CD futhi-ke iqhamuka lapho-ke ku-phone downloaders office-ke lapho-ke futhi uyahambisana ne-computer folder-ke lapho-ke makhiwe ukuthi Cleveland case 96/02/2015 beyihambisana futhi nocingo noma mhlawumbe nolwazi ade liqhamuka ngaphakathi kucingo lapho-ke bese uthatha le computer folder lena kade ikhona ngaphakathi lapho ezintathu-ke lapho-ke wasifaka ngaphakathi kwe-XRY files lapho kuqukethe ulwazi bese ulenza ukuthi lube ulwazi olihamba lodwa-ke lapho-ke locingo olihamba lodwa-ke le-sim card futhi olihamba lodwa lapho lekhadi-ke lapho memory card-ke lapho-ke bathi lolwazi uqoqa lapho-ke bekungakhonakala ukuthi lufake ngaphakathi mhlawumbe ulu-edithe-ke lapho-ke mhlawumbe ulu-manipulate shothi wenze into sokuthi enesandla esikabi-ke lapho-ke athi ufakazi yebo kuyiqiniso ngoba kade angenaso istatement laphambi kwakhe.
Now, that folder from the computer that you received from the phone downloader's office had 3 XRY files that contained 1 phone, 1 SIM card, and 1 memory card.
That's correct.
Bathi lo lwazi othi lapha aqhamuka ngaphakathi kuma-downloaders office shuthi kade kuyi-computer file kade inocingo olulodwa-ke i-sim card esisodwana futhi ne-memory card eyodwana athi yebo kuyiqiniso.
So, in other words, my understanding is when you prepared Exhibit S, you did not work directly with information that was coming from either the memory card or the SIM card or the phone itself, not so.
That's correct.
Thank you.
Bathi ngesikhathi usenza umsebenzi awukazi ukuthi wenze umsebenzi okhethekile ngokuthi uthola umsebenzi owodwa ohamba wodwa qhamuka phakathi kwe-memory card, i-sim card futhi nelokozana nocingo athi yebo kuyiqiniso.
Thank you. Now we know that you received information that had already been downloaded, not so?
Bathi manje siyazi ukuthi wathola ulwazi lapho kade noma information ebabaveli sabayidownloadile shothi ulwazi-ke lolo-ke kusenjalo yini?
That's correct.
Athi yebo kunjalo.
Now, against that background, you told the court that as you were requested to make further information or some copies of the information which you had received from the computer folder, along the way, certain information would change as you worked on it. Is that not what you said?
Bathi kusinto yokukhuluma ukuthi ngesikhathi esibuthole ulwazi lolu futhi wesenza umsebenzi wakho lapho olunye lwalo lwazi-ke lapho-ke besemane selushintsha khona-ke akusilo kokukhulumile.
I cannot recall mentioning such.
Athi akasakhumbuli-ke esho leyo nkulumo-ke.
Thank you. Let me check your memory.
That's good.
When I say change, I'm talking modification, you understand? When I took you through to Exhibit S on the metadata of the photo that is beamed on the big screen there, you said that this photo was created on the 2nd of September 2014, and it got modified on the 16th of July 2014. Do you still remember that?
I remember that.
Bathi mana nolwazi-ke kade bekhuluma ngalo ngesikhathi bebabuza kwimibuzo nesithombe esikhona ngaphakathi kwemibukiso-ke noma isithombe kulesikhangiso ukuthi basithule ngelanga lange-2 zakaSeptember ngomnyaka 2014 bese lapho-ke futhi ilanga le-16 zakaJulayi ngomnyaka 2014 akusenjalo yini? Athi yebo kunjalo.
And then I also brought to your attention the fact that before the commencement of this trial, the defense team, yourself, and the state assembled at the office of the DPP, where you then prepared memory sticks for the defense of what you had in your system, not so?
That's correct.
Bathi ngaphambi ukuthi iqala lihlaleke phansi kwenkosi enkantolo mhlawumbe iqalela ngaphambi kwenkosi enkantolo sothi wena-ke mfakazi thimba labameli-ke thimba labashushisi sahlangana lapho-ke ngaphakathi kuvisa abashushisi-ke lapho-ke futhi ngesikhathi esihlanganele khona-ke lapho-ke wena-ke wasinikeza kama-memory card-ke usitshela mana nolwazi kade unalo akusenjalo yini? Athi yebo.
Now, let's go to information. By the way, I'm asking all these questions on the background, on the backdrop of the fact that you are an analyst, not so. I take it you savvy. This information is on the tip of your hand. You see, that's what I had in mind when I'm asking you all these questions. But then, nonetheless, let's proceed. Let's now go to the information that will not change as the information gets transferred to other gadgets as in form of copies.
Also on that, my lord, I'm not certain unless we compare.
But asekulwazi lapho ukuthi olungasoze lushintsheke lapho ke athi nalapho akanaso isiqiniseko ngaphandle kokuthi lapho ke bamnika kumsebenzi kena enze uqhathanisa phakathi kwezithombe mhlawumbe kolwazi lolo ke.
Now, Mr. Mabasa, you're saying you've been attached to the POCC since 2013 as an analyst, not so?
That's correct.
Ayuthize usebenza kulo msebenzi oba analyst kusuka waqala ukusebenza kulo msebenzi uqala ngomnyaka ka2013 akusenjalo athi yebo kunjalo.
So that tells me that we have been in the unit that deals with this information that we're talking about since 2013, not so?
That's correct.
Athi manje lapho kumpha ke isikhangiso sokuthi wena ke usebenza kulo msebenzi lokho okuwona ke njengamanje ke uqala ngomnyaka ka2013 akusenjalo athi yebo kunjalo.
That's almost up until today, that will almost be 12 years, not so?
You are correct.
But uqala ke ngaka 2013 kuze kufike esikhathini samanje kusona ke sothi akuyona ke iminyaka e12 athi yebo kunjalo.
And despite this so massive experience, 12 years it's like when a child starts school at grade 1 up to grade 12. That is almost 12 years, not so? And they complete standard 10 in our old, in the old system. Sub A, sub B, standard 1, 2, up to standard 10, not so? Child completes school, not so?
That's correct.
But akusenjalo ukuthi mhlawumbe leminyaka ke12 ke iminyaka evame ukuthi ingane iyahambe yona ke esikhuluma esiyifunda ke lapho ke uma uqala phansi emabangeni aphansi kuze kufike kumabanga aphezulu aphakeme athi yebo kunjalo.
Now, with that amount of experience, you still not in a position to assist the court as to the dynamics that are involved in the industry that you are in. What information changes as copies are made, and what information does not change as copies are made.
But ke nasesikhathini samanje futhi awukhona ukuthi ulekelele inkosi yenkantolo malana nolwazi oluvamile ushintsheke lapho ke uma ngabe lisenza amakhophi futhi malana nolwazi olungavamile ukuthi izinto ushintsheke uma nenza amakhophi akusenjalo yini.
It's computerized, so for me to exaggerate, it won't help this court. I need to do it practically, compare and see. It's not to say I must know this can change, this cannot change. Our focus mainly is to analyze what is requested, not to check whether this change or whatever, or whatsoever.
Athi ke lapho ke sothi lento lengaphakathi kwecomputer sothi bayijubule ngaphakathi kwecomputer ke lapho ke athi futhi umsebenzi wakhe ukuthi aqhathanise uma ngabe sekasebenza ama download ke lapho ke abuke ukuthi lapho ke yiphi eshintshile noma yiphi engashintshile noma yini efana noma mhlawumbe engafani ke lapho ke kepha thina akakhona ekuthizeni asebenze ngecomputer ngesikhathi esenza umsebenzi wokuqhathanisa.
Are these changes which occur when copies are made not part of that analysis that you are called upon to do?
In this matter, it was requested from me to copy the pictures into the memory stick to provide everyone with it. As to what changes, what not change or whatever, I did not concentrate on that.
athi yena bamcitha akakhopheke iy'thombe likade qhamuka ngaphakathi kwe-memory card bese ziya ngaphakathi kwe-CD-ke lapho-ke athi engakaze abuke ukuthi mhlawumbe yini esishintshile noma yini engakaze-ke ishintshe.
Mine was to copy and hand to the relevant people.
Athi umsebenzi wakhe kwakuthi yena enze ukuthi lapho kusho mhlawumbe ukhopha nje kuphela bese-ke anikeze-ke abantu kumele ukuthi abanike ley'thombe lezi.
This date on which I understand you. I understand you quite perfectly.
Okay, thank you.
You were only concentrating on a narrow approach in terms of your analysis of this of what you requested to do. Now, this photo, I'm sorry, this date on which this photo was created, the 2nd of October 2014. Where did you get this from?
I got it from the downloads as it is.
Bathi ilanga lela ngeyi-2 zaka-October mnyaka 2014 ilanga le ngabathola kuphi-ke wona-ke kule sithombe lesi-ke athi wasithola kulaba kade bedownloada-ke nje nanoma kade sibhale noma ilanga leli libhalwe linjalo-ke.
09 September. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm being corrected. It's not September. It's not October. It's September. It's the 2nd of the 9th month. The 9th month is September, not October. Yes, I'm sorry, sir. But nonetheless, your answer is you got this information from the information that
downloaded
already been
information.
downloaded.
Yes, that's correct.
Isilungiseko lapho-ke futhi ilanga lakhona-ke lapho-ke ilanga lesibili-ke ngenyanga kaSeptember ngonyaka 2014 ngabe ulwazi ilanga leli mhlawumbe ulwazi mayelana nelanga lelo thola kuphi-ke athi wathola ngesikhathi lesi senza umsebenzi wakhe wokudownloada-ke lapho-ke.
And you bear no knowledge as to whether or not this date on which this photo was created, is it part of the information that changes as and when copies of the original information are made?
It could be, it could change, it could not change. Yes, you're correct.
Bathi lapho kusho ukuthi awunalo ulwazi ukuthi ilanga leli-ke mhlawumbe ngabe ilanga liqhamuke ngemuva ukuthi mhlawumbe benzeka amakhophi-ke mhlawumbe ilanga leqiniso lesithombe lesi-ke lapho-ke athi yebo kungathola kade ukuthi khona-ke kunjalo ilanga leli elishintshiye mhlawumbe elivelile ngemuva ukuthi benzeka amakhophi-ke.
No, understand my question, Warrant Officer Mabasa. I'm saying the date on which you are saying is the date on which this photo was created. It is part of that information that you are saying. You can't say you don't know whether it changes or not. Not so.
That's correct.
Bathi malana ilanga leli-ke ngabe mhlawumbe awunaso isiqiniseko ngokugcwele ukuthi lapho ilanga leli lashintsha makaze lishintsheke noma lihamba naloko noshintsho oluvame ukuthi lube khona-ke uma ngabe senza amakhophi-ke athi yebo kunjalo.
Now, that being said, you can't therefore say that this information, as inscripted here, being the 2nd of September 2014, is the information that is in the downloads that you worked on, or is information that is also, is the original information that is also contained in the SIM card, the memory card, or the phone itself, not so.
Bathi futhi akusenjalo ukuthi ilanga leli-ke leyi-2 zakaSeptember mnyaka 2014-ke ilanga leli khona ngaphakathi kwama-original downloads ngaphakathi kwe-cell phone noma i-SIM card noma i-memory card.
Did you understand my question?
That if I don't understand, you clarify.
Okay.
That
but I'm asking if you understood it now.
Let me try to answer my advocate. So if
okay.
I'm not answering correct, please correct me.
Thank
the
you.
date that reflects there comes from the original data.
Athi ilanga elibhaliwe lapho eqhamuka ngaphakathi kwe-original data.
Which is what?
Iphi-ke?
A memory card.
Bathi-ke i-memory card.
So how certain are you with that, sir? Because you've just told this court that you don't know what information changes and what information does not change.
manje wathi isiqiniseko salokho ke mnumzana unaso njani ke lapho ke ngoba ngesikhathi kade kubuzwa imibuzo ukuthi imibuzo ukuthi ngabe iluphi ulwazi olushintshayo noma iluphi ulwazi olungashintshi uthi zena awunaso isiqiniseko ukuthi awazi ukuthi yini eshintshayo noma yini engashintshi.
I'm certain, as I'm saying, it comes from the original data of the memory card, not from the copy of the original from the memory stick.
Athi nakusho ngokugcwele futhi ngokugcwele ofuthi nangeqiniso ukuthi iqhamuka ngaphakathi ke kwe-memory card futhi aqhamuke ngaphakathi kwama-copy abawakhipha ke asuka kule memory card.
Thank you, sir. And you are saying that with certainty.
Futhi usho lokho usho ngabe usho lokho ngokuyithemba futhi.
That's correct.
Athi yebo.
Thank you. Now, if you are certain that this information comes from the memory card, then the subsequent information that is contained in the copies should exactly be the same as this one, not so? Because you also worked on this information as we are receiving here. It's a copy from the original information, not so?
But you should tell ulwazi oluqhamuka ngaphakathi kuma-copy kumele ukuthi nalofaneke futhi nalelanga leli ke mhlawumbe ilanga leli elitshengisana ngale kuma-originals ngaba kusenjalo yini?
That date created that reflects the comes from the original data, as I'm certain from the memory card.
Yes.
It's original.
Yes.
Why I'm saying it's original? It cannot be changed unless certain program is engaged.
Yes.
So I converted that information myself from the original data into a PDF as it is, because it comes logged
Yeah.
as it is into a workable PDF document. Yes, so I'm certain it hasn't changed.
Athi-ke lapho unesiqiniseko futhi uyasho ngokujulile futhi ngokuthemba ukuthi ulwazi oluqhamuka ngaphakathi kwe-original memory card-ke lapho-ke athi wena kwathola linjalo futhi ngekho ilanga lelo lishintshe noma mhlawumbe umuntu ajobeleleke nanoma ngenza ini kepha ngaphandle ukuthi mhlawumbe usebenziseke isystem ethize-ke lapho-ke noma program ethile uma ngabe ufuna ukushintsha ilanga lelo-ke lapho-ke futhi thina wathola-ke lo lwazi oluqhamuka ngaphakathi kwe-original data-ke lapho-ke ngemuva kwalokho sakuthatha ufaka ngaphakathi kohlelo lwe-PDF.
Thank you. Now, you took this information from the computer folder, not so? In fact, you are saying this information comes from the memory stick, not so? It got transferred into the computer folder, not so? The one that you used to prepare these pictures, not so? And this information did not change, not so?
Yes.
Thank you.
But awusho ukuthi ke ulwazi oluqhamuka ngaphakathi kwe-memory stick noma i-memory card waluthatha kulwazi olusofaka ngaphakathi kwekhompyutha yakho futhi ngeke likhona kushintsha athi yebo kunjalo.
Now, further on the you got approached by warrant officer by Sergeant Mohane. I think it was February this year, ne? Mukhula. I think it was February or March this year, not so, to prepare what is now Exhibit SD, not so, and you did that, not so.
Yes, I did that.
Thank you.
But walando Sergeant Mukhula ke lapho ithizeni ngokwenzeke ilungisa mhlawumbe uthi kuyilungisa ke maya nofakazi obuthize athi yebo kunjalo ngomnyaka kulo mnyaka usukona ke ngenyanga kaFebruary kusenjalo yini athi yebo kunjalo.
Now, you went on and prepared, and the date of which is indicated there is the date on which this photo was created is reflected the 2nd of September 2014, which should be similar to the date on this photo that was on the computer folder, as well as the date that was on the memory card, not so. In other words, there's a synergy there.
It should reflect the same.
Athi-ke lapho ngesikhathi ethi kusenza umsebenzi wakho-ke lapho-ke suthi ilanga lakhona kule ithombe lesi mhlawumbe isithombe lesi esikhethekile-ke kumaqamba kule computer yakho-ke kade kubhalwe i-2 ka-October mnyaka 2014 suthi bekumele ukuthi kube ilanga lelodwa-ke ngaphakathi kwe-memory stick futhi nasecingweni noma kule sim card athi yebo bekumele ukuthi kube njalo-ke.
Thank you. Now, you just told the court that the date that we're talking about, which is the 2nd of September 2014, is exactly the same date which was in the computer folder, not so?
That's correct. From the original, yes, that's correct.
Uqhaza nje inkosi yenkantolo ukuthi ilanga leli eliqhamuka ngaphakathi-ke kule memory stick kusho ukuthi kumele kube ilanga lodwa futhi eqhamuka ngale computer khona-ke athi yebo kunjalo kumele ukuthi kube ilanga lango-2014.
And this is the date that you are saying was also in the memory card, not so?
It should reflect the same.
Bathi ukuthi ilanga leli kumele kube ilanga futhi elilodwa elingaphakathi kwale memory card athi yebo kumele kube ilanga nje elilodwa.
No, Mr. Mabasa, now you're changing your tone. You earlier on told the court that this date is a date that was in the computer folder.
Utshele ushintsha ke inkulumo yakho-ke ngoba utshele inkosi yenkantolo ukuthi ilanga leli noma usuku lolu usuku elikhona ngaphakathi-ke kwale computer folder kusenjalo yini.
And you further told the court that this date is the date that is in the memory card. You never said it should be, it should be. You said you were certain, not so.
Futhi asho ukuthi ilanga leli-ke ilanga ukuthi ekwakumele ukuthi libe khona-ke ngaphakathi kwale memory card futhi asho lokho ngesiqiniseko esijulile akusenjalo yini.
I'm certain it must reflect the same. I get confused when you talk about the computer folder, because we are talking about the data from the phone, memory card, and the SIM card. So, computer folder, I just want you to specifically tell me what you are specifically talking about there.
Athi yebo ke lokho kusho ngokujulile futhi ngokukhethekile-ke ngoba kepha kuyadideka uma ngabe khona-ke nge-computer folder-ke lapho-ke uqetha umele asho ngokujulile futhi asho ngokacebha ukuthi lapho-ke mhlawumbe ngabe ukhuluma ngani-ke uma ngabe ukhuluma-ke nge-computer box.
This is what is contained in your paragraph 5 that I read to you earlier on. Do you still remember?
Yes.
Yes. So how do you want me then to explain what is it that I'm talking about when I'm talking about a computer folder, when it is you who's mentioning it in your own affidavit?
Oh, I thought maybe you are confusing it. Oh, now I understand you are talking about the original data on my computer folder.
Athi ile nkulumo ekade sikhuluma ngayo ungadideki ngoba sikhulumile ngodaba lolu-ke ngaphakathi kohlelo lakho lwafidavit futhi lapha ku-paragraph 5-ke athi ufakazi chabe kadideka lapho-ke bacabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe akhuluma-ke lapho-ke nge-computer folder.
Thank you, Mr. Mabasa. I'm not confused.
Okay, no.
I thought it's you should know these terms better than me, because you have been working on these things for almost 12 years now. But nonetheless, now what you're saying is the information that is in that memory card that gets downloaded into the computer folder that you worked on should bear this date of the 2nd of September 2014 or so, as the date of the creation of this photo.
Bathi ngabe kade usho ukuthi ulwazi kade ulitholile olungaphakathi-ke lapho-ke kwe-memory card noma i-memory stick futhi nolwazi kade lukhona ngaphakathi kwe-computer folder kumele ukuthi lisitshengiseke ilanga lilodwana futhi ilanga lange-2 ka-September ngomnyaka 2014 akusenjalo yini?
With regard to that picture, yes, it
Yes.
must reflect, yes.
athi yebo ke mayelana nesithombe leso kumele ukuthi kube ilanga ke elilodwa ke.
Thank you. Now, with that in mind, is it not so that the date of a creation of this picture in the memory card now, that you yourself extracted from the gadget in which you stored this information from, which memory cards were prepared for a defense, should also bear the same date?
Bathi ke mayelana nodaba lwe-memory card, mayelana nolwazi owalithola ngaphakathi kwe-memory card ngesikhathi lesi bosenza ke ubulungisela kuze umsebenzi wakho ke lapho ke usho ukuthi ke akumele ukuthi ke sithombe lesi noma ulwazi lonke olitholile ngaphakathi kwe-memory card ke ngesikhathi bonikeza kabameli izithombe lezi ke kwakumele ukuthi mhlambi ilanga lakho kube ilanga elilodwa ke eqhamuka ngale lesokuqala bukhuluma ngaso.
It must be the same date.
Athi kumele ukuthi be ilanga ke elilodwa ke.
Thank
It is
you.
the original. It comes from the original.
Athi ngoba iqhamuka ngaphakathi kule original yakhona ke.
Thank you. Now, if it's not the same date, what will be the explanation for the, or if it's not the same date, then what?
Athi
Assume it's not the same date.
athi asithi ke lapho kusiyilanga elilodwa ke ngabe yini evamthi yenzeke ke umele amalanga khona engafani.
Yes.
And it has been copied into another device. The transfer of data using the XRY. If I copy a picture from XRY straight into a memory stick, it won't reflect the same.
Athi ke lapho mhlawumbe sithi bayenze icopy ke lapho kade uma ngabe lapho ikhopha ke ulwazi oqhamuka ngaphakathi kwale system wathi XRY yalikhopha kulona ke sifaka ngaphakathi kwe-CD noma memory stick athi ngeke lisitshengiseke ilanga elilodwa ke namalanga elifanayo.
Now, what certainty do you have, say, that this date of the 2nd of September 2014 is exactly the same date that was in the memory card?
But isiphi isiqiniseko onaso ke mayelana nelanga leli elikhethekile ke ilanga lesibili ke ngomnyaka kaSeptember ngomnyaka 2014 alikhona ngaphakathi kwalodaba lwe-memory card?
I'm certain because it comes from the original data of the memory card.
Athi nginesiqiniseko ngoba liqhamuka ngaphakathi ke kwale original memory data liqhamuka ngaphakathi ke kwale memory card.
So your certainty comes from the fact that it comes from the original data.
That's correct. As I have mentioned, the original data come locked. You cannot alter with it unless you engage other programs.
Athi yebo nesiqiniseko sokuthi liqhamuka ngaphakathi ke kwale memory card lelo langa lelo ke ngaphandle kokuthi mhlambe lapho usebenzisa ama-program athize ke lapho ke ekuthizeni ajobelele okuthize.
Now you're saying, unless you unlocked certain programs, not so?
Bathi usho ukuthi wena ngaphandle ukuthi mhlawumbe khona ama-programs ovame ukuthi wavuleke lapho ke.
The information come locked.
Yes.
Athi ulwazi lufika lapho luvaliwe futhi balulocked ngelimi lesingisi ke.
So for one to access the information, certain programs need to be engaged to open up the information into another media, in this instance, PDF.
Athi ke lapho ulwazi aqhamuka lapho luvaliwe ekuzeni umuntu wakhona ke ukuthi aliboneke mhlawumbe afikelele kulona ke bemele ukuthi mhlawumbe bavuleke enye ke system eyodwa kusho lapho ke system yakhona kuyi PDF
As original.
njenge original.
Once that system gets unlocked, then that leaves a room for a possible change in the information that is contained in the original information, not so?
No way, there's no way you can change the original information at all, no matter how.
But shuthi uma ngabe uveka isystem eyodwa ke ngalena ke shuthi lapho ke akuvamile ukuthi ushintsheke ilanga mhlawumbe noma izinto ezithize ke lapho ke athi cha akhonakale ekuthizeni ungaze ushintshe nanoma yini engaphakathi kwi-original data.
The original remain the same even if you engage other program to open it to a certain media. It stays locked.
Yes.
Athi lapho ke original data ke lapho ke ayishintshi uma ngabe uvula amanye ama systems ke lapho ke iyahlala ivalekile uma ivaliwe.
From us, as ACPS, we cannot unlock that program unless the manufacturer.
Yes.
Yes.
Athi bona ke lapho ke esiphoyiseni abakhona ukuthi ba-unlock ke program leyo ngaphandle kwalomuntu oyenzile.
So do I then understand you to say that this date of the creation is one of that information that cannot be unlocked?
Athumele ngabe kuzwa kahle ukuthi malana nelanga leli ke likhona ke lapho ke sothi elinye ke elihambisana nalezi zinto lezi umuntu angakakhonta ishizo mhlawumbe as unlock.
That's correct.
Athi yebo kuqiniso.
Even when you are making copies from the original information, this date is unlockable, it will remain the same. Is that what you're saying?
Athi noma kwenza kama copy iqhamuka ngala original sothi ilanga leli kalishintshi lihlala kuyilo.
I've mentioned if you make copies, like you copy from the original, transfer it into a memory stick, there will be a change on the metadata. So that date might change also.
Athi uyashilo ukuthi lapho kuma ngabe kwenza kama copy iqhamuka kule original data usebenzisa ke metadata ke lapho ke original data ke lapho ivama ukuthi mhlawumbe ishintshe ke lapho ke athi yebo nelanga lakhona lengashintsha lapho.
But how does that happen, sir? Because you're telling this court that this information is unlockable.
Manje lokho kwenzeka kanjani ke mnumzana ngoba uqhubekele inkosi yenkantolo ukuthi lo lwazi lolu ke alushintshi.
We have access to the information. Where when we start analyzing, that's where we have access to the information. We open it, there's a program that we open it with, which is XRY. Convert it from XRY, will convert it into the media you want.
What?
To a certain, okay, it will convert into a PDF or to any other media you want that is on the XRY that allows you to convert it into. However, the originality, the original of that data remains the same. Even if you are working on it, it remains the same as it is from where you got that one that you are working from.
Yes.
Athi ke lapho ufakazi uma ngabe ukhuluma ke ngalolu lwazi lolu ke usuthi lapho uma bethola ke le lock system yakhona ke lapho ke noma mhlawumbe ulwazi balithulile ke lapho ke athi abakhona ukuthi balishintshe lapho ke kepha ke uma ngabe bevula lapho ke lo lwazi abanalo ke lapho ke bafuna ukuthi balivule iqhamuka lapho ngaphakathi kwale original meta khona ke njalo ke bese ngemuva lokho bese baconverting ngale bese kuya kuyo lapho ku PDF nanoma kuyiphi ke system ayisebenzisayo ke lapho ke athuma besenza lo msebenzi lokho elanga lakhona elibhaliwe lapho ku original file ke lapho ke ilona ilanga elingashintshi nanoma uyivula kuphi ke lelo kuzana lo lwazi onalo ilanga lakhona alishintshi kuhlala kuyilo ilanga leli elokuqala iqhamuka ngaphakathi ku original data.
Mr. Mabasa, let us put it in a very simple way, in a very elementary way. Does the date of the creation of the photo change when you're making copies from the original information, or it does not change?
Bathi asikwenzele okunjenje ngendlela elula. Manje ukuthi lapho ke ngabe ilanga leli ke le original data ngabe levame ukuthizeni lishintshe uma ngabe usenza ama copy noma alivamile ekuthizeni ke lishintshe.
It comes back to where I told the court I'm not certain which that does not change on a metadata.
Athi kuyakulombuzo kade ubuzile ke la kushuthi lapho kade ubuza khona ukuthi ngabe mhlambi luphi ke ulwazi olushintshayo noma iluphi ke ulwazi olungashintshi uma ngabe kusebenzisa ke metadata.
Thank you, Warrant Officer Mabasa. Now, when you say creation, when you see a photo with that information that says created, or the information on the metadata of that photo that says creation, what would that mean?
Bathi uma ubona ke igama leli ababizithi creation uma created kusho ilanga elenziwa ngalo ke lapho ke ngaphakathi kwe metadata ngabe lokho mhlawumbe kuvamile wena ukuthathe njengokuthi inkulumo esho ukuthini ke leyo.
It may mean something, or that picture was done or taken.
Athi ngasho ukuthi mhlawumbe isithombe lesi ke sathathwa ke lapho ke.
It can also mean that picture, if it's copied into a memory stick like you have, it says it was copied on that day to a memory stick.
Athi futhi uma ngabe une memory stick lapho ke uvama ukuthi mhlawumbe usho khona nje isithombe leso ke basikhopia mhlawumbe basifaka ngaphakathi kule memory stick ngelanga lelo.
What else?
It can also mean certain things was done, for example, renaming the picture. It can also give the same date.
Athi lapho ke uma mhlawumbe umuntu sashintsha ke isithombe laso mhlawumbe sibiza esifaka mhlawumbe sifakela ke igama lapho ke futhi rename ke ngesingisi ke lapho kathi kulava umuntu khona ke mhlawumbe kutshengakala khona lo shintsho ke lolo ke.
What else?
Nani ke futhi
For now, that's what I can think of.
athi kwamanje ke lokho kuphela ngakucabanga.
So you're basically saying the word creation in the metadata might mean, or means, not might, means that the photo could have been transferred into the memory card on that day. The photo could have been taken by the photo on that day. And what was the third meaning of, what was the third implication of the word creation in the memory, in the metadata?
I said the renaming of a
Yes.
certain, of that, we're talking about the picture, the renaming of a picture.
Thank you.
Yes.
Bathi lapho ke ngapho mhlawumbe usho ini ke ngapho usho ukuthi mhlawumbe uma sikhuluma ngemetadata ke lapho isitshengisa khona ke usuku uma besikhuluma ngecreation wa created ke lapho ke isuku noma ilanga leli isithombe basithubula ngaso ke athi yebo futhi usho mhlawumbe ilanga leli kade bekhopha ngalo ke ilokuzana isithombe besifaka ngaphansi kwe-memory card athi yebo noma i-renaming usho lapho kade usenza khona kushintsho isithombe athi yebo ilokho kuphela sakukhumbulayo.
Now take us through the process of transferring the picture to the memory card.
Bear in mind, when I say transferring, I'm referring to when I do the transferring, not when the user of the phone is transferring what, doing transfers on his or her
Yes.
phone, yes.
Yeah.
Manje xa sikhulume ngodaba lokutransfera ke lapho ke uma ukuthi transfera ke isithombe qhamuke ifoni kucingo ke lapho ke usifaka ngapha kwe-memory card athi lapho ke bengakhulumi ke ngomuntu osuke ayithathe ke isithombe ke lapho ke kepha kade akhuluma ngaye ke mathupha malana nophuzu ke lelo.
So this date, the 2nd of September 24, might mean the date on which you transferred, it's one of the options, you transferred this picture from the memory card into something else.
No, it can be that. That date, we were talking about the creation.
Yes,
When I copy
yes,
from the original, that picture,
yes,
into a memory card,
yes,
when it arrives into a memory stick, let me
Yes.
say like that,
yes,
it might change the date and give us the date in which the transfer has occurred.
Athi cha akusenjalo ke lapho ke uma ngaba ke lapho sithi mhlawumbe uthatha ke isithombe ngaphakathi kocingo ke lapho ke bese kuyatransfera ngaphakathi kwe-memory stick ke lapho ke athi kulapho kuvame khona ke thizeni ke ushintshe ke ilanga uma ngabe ubhekela ngale ngaphakathi kwe-memory stick.
I'm using the word it might
Athi usebenzisa
because
ke igama lokuthi lokho kungavame noma kungaze kwenzeke ngoba
I've said I'm not certain as to which metadata changes
ngoba uthi ziyakana
as you copy.
athi ngoba eqaleni uthi zakanaso isiqiniseko ukuthi ngabe mhlambi ke iluphi ke ulwazi oluvame ukuthi ushintshe lapho uma ngabe uzosebenzisa ke khona ke i-metadata.
Warrant Officer Mabasa, do you understand what is happening here? I am taking you through the metadata as it relates to this phone. I said to you, what do we mean by creation? You went on to give those possibilities, not so?
Yes, that's
Yeah.
correct.
Now, when I say to you, take us through the process of transferring the photo into the memory card of the phone, then you are saying you don't refer to the owner of the phone, but you're referring to yourself. Do you hear yourself there?
I do hear myself very well. I'm talking about what I did as an analyst, not what the user has been doing.
Okay.
Yes.
Athi ke lapho ke uyazizwa ke futhi ke lapho futhi ukhuluma nje ngaye mathupha njenge-analyst kepha kakhulumi ke ngumuntu kade thatha isithombe lapho ke.
So are you then saying that you as an analyst transferred the information in relation about this picture from the phone into the memory card on the 2nd of September 2014?
Manje usho wena njenge-analyst usho uthatha ke ulwazi lolu mhlambe isithombe lesiqhamuka ngaphakathi kwe-cellphone usho umakhala ekhukhwini kwasifaka ngaphakathi kwe-memory stick ngelanga lange-2 zakaSeptember ngonyaka 2014.
If I'm working on that picture and I have to transfer it into a memory stick on that date, it will reflect, if possible, because we are talking about the possibility, as I'm not certain where does it change, the metadata change as you copy. So it will reflect the same date. If it's the same date that I'm doing my analysis and the transfer on.
Athi ke lapho ke asithi mhlambi ke lapho usebenza kumsebenzi wakho njenge-analyst ke lapho ke nanoma engenaso isiqiniseko ngokujulile mayelana nolwazi oluthi lushintshe futhi nolwazi olungashintshi ke lapho ke athi kepha kuma sisebenza asithi mhlambi lokhu transfer kade ekwenza ke ngelanga lange-2 zakaSeptember ngonyaka 2014 ekhipha ke ulwazi ngaphakathi kocingo ke lapho ke bese khiphela ngaphakathi kwe-memory card ke lapho ke athi lokho kunakho kwenzeka ukuthi kutshengise ilanga elilodwa ke elifana ncamashini ilanga lelikhona ngalana ke ngaphakathi kwe-cellphone noma umakhalekhukhwini.
By transferring, I mean the copy part of it.
Yeah.
The copying of the picture from its origin to the memory card.
Yes.
Athi lapho khona ngokuthi mhlawumbe uma transfer ke lapho ke ulwazi uqhamuka ngaphakathi ke ko-original suthi lesithombe ngaphakathi kocingo ke ikhipha khona ke usetransfera ngale kwe-memory card.
Thank you. Warrant Officer Mabasa, we're talking here about a creation that happened on the 2nd of September 2014. Do you understand?
I do understand.
But ke faka sikhuluma ngento eyenzeka ke la ngelanga lange-2 ngonyaka kaSeptember ke ngonyaka 2014 ngabe angizwa kahle athi yebo ngiyakuzwa.
Are you then telling me that in relation to this creation that happened on the 2nd of September 2014, you don't know what might have happened?
Let me put it that way.
Thank
I'm
you.
not certain.
Athi manje uma ne-creation shite into eyenzeka ngelanga lange-2 zakaSeptember ngonyaka 2014 shite awunaso isiqiniseko sigcwala sokuthi ngabe yini eyenzeka kahle kahle ke athi yebo uthingile ke ngaleyo ndlela ethi anaso isiqiniseko ngokugcwele.
You don't know whether this photo was taken 3 years before 2014, 02, 09, it only got transferred into the memory card on the 2nd of September 2014. That you don't know, not so?
bathi futhi awunalo ulwazi ukuthi ngabe kuthiwa isithombe leso abasithatha mhlawumbe kwiminyaka emithathu ngaphambili kwelanga lange-2 zakaSeptember ngomnyaka 2014 ngesikhathi kade besitransfera ngaphakathi kwe-memory card yini?
Yes, I don't know.
Thank you.
Yebo, anginalo ulwazi lalokho.
Thank you, Brigadier Mabato, Warrant Officer Mabasa. Now, when I requested you to explain to this court what do you mean by creation of a picture, you said it is the transfer from the phone into the memory card, the renaming. Hey, they start young man. What was basically the third one? I must write it down now. That is now the date of capture.
Yes.
Yeah.
Bathi khona ke la ukhulume khona ke uma ukhuluma nge-creation noma i-created ke ulwazi uqhubeka ngaphakathi kocingo kuke ku-memory card la ukhulume khona ke ngelanga isithombe basitha ngalo ke lapho ke i-renaming usuthi umuntu wenza ukujobela kwakuphakathi kwesithombe ke lapho ke futhi naloko kusithathu ke lapho ke suthi the third one renaming,
Capture and sending off
futhi
into the memory card.
nokuthatha ngapho unamathisele ngapha ke.
Thank you. Now, do you still remember, Mosuguti, I'm sorry. It is not for the first time that you're giving testimony at court, not so?
Wathi yakhumbula ukuthi yona kawuqala ukuletha ufakazi bakho ke la ngaphambi kungusenkantolo akusenjalo yini?
That's correct.
Athi yebo kuyiqiniso.
On the 1st of August 2023, you also gave testimony here, and you were led by the state, and as you were led by the state, this is what transpired on the proceedings of the 1st of August 2023 on page number 37.
Wathi ke ngelanga lokuqala ke lapho ke kwinyanga October ke lapho kwaletha ufakazi ngonyaka 2023 waletha ufakazi bakho la ngaphambi kwenkosi enkantolo futhi kade uholwa ke ithimba labashushisi ke ngemibuzo ke uma sesibuka lapho mayelana nenkulumo leyo ke ingaphansi kwikhasi 37 kwinkulumo eshicilelwa la ngaphambi kwenkosi enkantolo bathi futhi lokho kulandelayo owakhuluma.
Now, this is what Advocate Baloyi said to you. If you say creation of the picture, what do you mean?
La kathathu khona kumnumzana uBaloyi uma ngabe usuthi ukhuluma nge-creation yesithombe sisithombe indlela ngelanga sathathwa ngalo mhlawumbe indlela enziwe ngaso ke.
And your answer was, it may have been created in the phone, or it was taken by the device, or it was sent to the device.
Bathi wena ke lapho washo ukuthi ngabe mhlawumbe isithombe lesivuma ukuthi mhlawumbe sathwe ke icingo noma basithumele ngaphakathi ucingweni noma batransfere ucingweni.
Do you still stand by that?
Bathi usamile ngalokho.
Yes, it formed part of the explanation I give before.
Kathi yebo kuhambisana nale ngazelo aphane ngayo kuqala.
Thank you. Now, I take it you forgot to mention that creation might also mean being sent to the phone, not so?
Athi yasho thatha nje ukuthi wena ke ukhohliwe ukuthi ukhulume ukuthi mhlawumbe creation kusho ukuthi mhlawumbe ilanga leli abathumele ngaso isithombe ucingweni akusenjalo yini?
Yeah, correct.
Athi yebo uqinisile ke lapho.
Thank you. Now that date that is reflected there, I'm sorry, Mr. Makaza. Wonder if you can just scroll through the yeah, yes, go. I'm not even so sure, man, with this information is there. I'm talking about this one. Don't you have this one?
No.
Okay.
Unless it's on another.
No, it can't be on that one.
It should be on this one. This is the last page. It's only 2 pages there.
But nonetheless, it's fine. It's fine, Mr. Makaya. Thank you. Now, this date of the 2nd of October, 2nd of September 2014, which is annotated or is reflected on the metadata of this picture that is before court here. You are uncertain as to which of the 3 possibilities does it refer to, not so?
That's correct.
Bathi-ke ilanga leli lethu zaka-September ngomnyaka ka-2014 awunazo isiqiniseko ukuthi mhlawumbe siwela ngaphansi usuwela ngaphansi kweziphi-ke le khangiso ezintathu kade usitshela ngazo-ke athi yebo kuyiqiniso.
Thank you. Now, Mr. Mabasa, Warrant Officer Mabasa. On Friday, when we actually stopped, that is after the commotion of the picture that was twisted upside down.
Yeah.
Why are you laughing, Mr. Mabasa? This thing seems to be tickling you. Why are you laughing? When I speak about information of a picture that was twisted upside down, you're giving
It's
this
an
court a very
accusation.
bright smile. Why are you smiling?
It's an accusation.
Oh, you're smiling because an accusation.
Yeah, you are accusing us of doing whatever.
But you're never involved in that process, not so. So why do you say us?
I took the picture.
Oh, you took the picture. Thank you, Mr.
So I was
Mabasa.
involved.
Thank you, Warrant Officer Mabasa. But when we attended on Friday, I was just about to say the state might have brought to your attention the fact that the defense took issue about the fact that the state alleges that accused number 3 had a golden teeth on his left upper jaw of his mouth, not so. And that we have said it does not change. The natureness of a person, their side does not change, not so.
La bathi ngesonto elidluleke ngolwesihlanu de sikhuluma khona-ke mayelana nala kade khona kwehlangothi lethimba labashoshisele sona khona-ke futhi batsho ukuthi wona umsola wesithathu-ke lapho kade enezinyo legolide-ke kena-ke la kumazinyo khona la ngaphezulu futhi esandleni sokunxele-ke bese athi yona-ke uma ngabe umuntu ethobula-ke isithombe indlela athobula ngaso isithombe-ke sokuthi i-originality yakhona-ke ayivamile ukuthi ishintshe ngabe akusenjalo yini?
That's correct.
Athi yebo kunjalo.
Thank you. Now, the state might have hinted to you, I don't know, that there's a report, an application that the defense has requested for Mr. Mnube to be analyzed by a specialist to check if the allegations that we're making against him are founded or not. Did they bring that to your attention?
Bathi khona-ke isicelo lana kade sikhuluma ngaso kusokuthi umnumzane Ncube-ke ahambe-ke lapho ahlanganeke futhi nodokotela wamazinyo noma mhlawumbe udokotela onesipili wonke shothi lapho-ke uchwepheshe-ke lapho-ke azomhlola-ke bese asho ukuthi ngabe mhlawumbe sele waba nalo yini izinyo legolide makakaze abanalo-ke manje uthi njengofakazi ngabe ithimba labashushisi bakhulumile nawe phecelezi malana nodaba lo noma abakaze bakhulume nawe?
When the request or the application, whatsoever was, or let me say when it was requested for medical examination, I was present in court. So as to what happened,
Okay.
yeah.
Athi ngesikhathi kade qaqeke qhamuka-ke inkulumo leyo noma isicelo sekathi bekakhona-ke la ngaphambi kwenkantolo-ke ekuthizeni ngabe mhlawumbe basale emuva noma akaze basale emuva athi akazi ukuthi yini eyenzeka-ke mayelana nohlangothi lolo-ke?
Hey, I wanted to wrap my cross-examination, but a number of my colleagues are indicating to me that is already their lunchtime. I'm now infringing on their constitutional right to healthy living style. May I request an adjournment, my lord? I'll come and wrap my cross-examination on the witness. I'll simply take a few minutes and then we'll be done.
Ngicela kumele ukuthi sambe
5 minutes past 1.
Okay, we're adjourned until 2 then.